Today we're going to talk about what's the proper way to do electrostimulation, especially at home, if you have a home unit, and also the safety that you need to be aware previous to use electrostimulation. One of the things that you need to be aware is that if you have any history of cancer, if you have a pacemaker or heart problems, if you have a metal implant is close to the area that you need to do the electrostimulation. Those are contraindications for electrostimulation. So, by the other hand, you have to be sure that the skin is completely dry, no, and clean. You don't see any kind of lotion or see any dry skin, because then the electrodes won't be able to stick properly in the skin, and that's going to affect the effect of the electrostimulation going through from the machine to your body part. If you have a lot of hair in that area, that also can be a problem for the electrostimulation, and we recommend to remove, wax, or cut that hair. Also because it can affect the transmission of the electrostimulation. And saying that, we have different kind of portable units to use. We have the easy one, that's the TENS unit or interferential current, and then we have the other that they say the different, like where to place knee, shoulder, back, hand, and back. So it's very straightforward how to use it. And most of the time, your therapist, after you get the home unit, is gonna set it up for you for the frequency and the duration, and it's gonna show you how you should place it in your body part. Today we're gonna do is how pre-mode or tense unit should be applied in an ankle, and we're gonna do it in the malleoli for this patient. You should leave at least a little bit of space, an inch in between the electrode, so they're not exactly too close, to have a good transmission and don't increase too much the intensity of the electrostimulation. So we put it in this way, and I'm gonna use this one. All the home units have a on and off button, very straightforward, and then you can play around with the frequency. This one, she's gonna have it on for 15 minutes, but if you want to change, you press the clock and you switch, increase or decrease. The other thing is, this unit have for tens and interferential, but we're gonna use the tens unit normal. And again, if you have been prescribed for a unit by your physician or by your physical therapist, he or she is gonna tell you how to rate the width and how many in the frequency that you're gonna apply that unit. So it's very important that you have a follow up with them, so you can have a good application. So so we have two channels. Um, we're gonna use channel 2, because we're using pre-mode. Doesn't matter is this red or black button color, and then we're gonna use channel 1 in the other foot. After you place it, you as you tone to the patient, you ask them, okay, let me know when you feel it. Me deja saber cuando lo siente, ¿ok?
Doctorita.
Me deja saber cuando siente la corriente.
Oh, yeah, doctorita.
Let me know when you feel the current. Okay, we're starting.
Solo le siento calientito nomás.
Okay, ¿ahorita lo siente?
Sí, ahora sí.
¿Está bien allí?
Sí, doctorita.
Okay, so as soon the patient told you, me dice cuando siente el otro.
Este lado siento, este no todavía.
¿Cuál no siente?
Este,
El derecho.
Sí. No, el izquierdo le siento, el derecho no.
Okay.
Ahora sí, los dos, doctor.
¿Está bien allí? Okay.
Sí.
Okay, so at first, before you start increasing the intensity, you ask the patient, you tell the patient that you want to start increasing the intensity and let you know when they feel it the first time. As soon they feel it, you're going to ask them, okay, let me know when I can stop. And you have to be sure to tell them that it has to be comfortable because they're usually going to be with that on 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and that's the average that we do the electrostimulation, and then you can do it also at home. Thank you.